guys, my name is and I'm gonna be showing you how to get a couple, like 2 new markers. Wait, the first one is called the F something marker. What you need to do is go to this corner right here, go over here, and you'll see this. Probably wondering, what do you need to do? Hug the wall, and there's gonna be invisible door right here, guys. And once you've done that, you're gonna have to go down here into this little hidden door. I failed. Let's go back. Sorry, everybody, if you hear that. So let's go back. I think I did it wrong, but yeah, just go up here. Why? I didn't. So yeah, this is all you need to do. Have runoff if you want. Boom. What? What? Let's go back. It's pretty hard to do this part if you're on mobile, which, wink wink, I'm not wink. I'm lying. So yeah, back. Jump. Okay. Go down here. Once you're down here, you're gonna have to go into the door. What? Okay, so we have to go back. I'm sick and tired of this. And look, it can float across. And it's a Mr. Thank You. Mr. Thank You. My mic set up the right way. Yeah, okay. Let's go over here again. And let's jump. Okay, now once you're in here, you jump to here. Once you've done that, you're gonna have to jump to here. Jump, hug. Jump here, to here, and then to here. And yeah, look, it's like, it's a FLAN marker, the FLAN. Flammy monkey. So yeah, the next one I'm gonna be showing you guys is the what's it called? Oh yeah, the SANDSTORM marker. What you need to do is go up here, and I've already gotten these, but I'm showing you. You'll see an invisible ladder right here, and once you've done that, you'll get teleported into here. And yeah, I've already gotten these, but I'm showing you how to get it. So